want to allow others to reshare your WhatsApp status? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to enable the WhatsApp status sharing feature on your phone. First, open the WhatsApp app and tap on the Settings option or on your profile icon. On iPhone, you'll find it at the bottom right corner, and on Android, tap the three dots at the top right and select Settings. Now, tap on Privacy, then choose Status. Here, you'll see the option called Allow Sharing or Allow Resharing of status updates, depending on your WhatsApp version. Simply turn this option on. Once enabled, people who view your WhatsApp status will get the option to share or forward your status update to others. This can be useful if you're promoting content, sharing announcements, or trying to reach more people through WhatsApp. If this option does not appear on your screen, make sure your WhatsApp app is updated to the latest version, because some settings may look different depending on your device or app version. And that's how to allow resharing of your WhatsApp status. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more WhatsApp tips and tutorials.